Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Past paper MCQ series part 8. The first country to give voting rights to women. First country to give voting rights to women is New Zealand. Paper currency was first issued in which country? China. Paper currency was first issued in China. Which country is called Land of Sick Men of Europe? Turkey. Turkey is called Land of Sick Men of Europe. Country is the largest producer of gold in the world? China. China is largest producer of gold in the world. The largest natural freshwater lake in the subcontinent. Manchar Lake. Manchar Lake is largest natural freshwater lake. First modern Olympic Games was held in 1896. First modern Olympic Games were held in 1896. What is the normal time difference between both of Summer Olympic and Winter Olympics? Year. Normal time difference between Summer Olympic and Winter Olympics is 2 years. Which country will host the 2026 Winter Olympic? Italy. Italy will host the Winter Olympics 2026. Which greenhouse gas is created by the accumulation of wastewater? Main difference between the plant cell and animal cell is plant cell contains the cellulose wall, whereas animal cell does not contain. Who referred to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan as a father of Muslim India or a father of modern Muslim India? Altaf and Hali called the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan as the father of Muslim India. A collection of islands is called archipelago is the collection of islands. Who was the founder of Pakistan People Party in Lahore on November 30, 1967? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was the founder of Pakistan People Party and it was established in Lahore November 30, 1967. National Identity Card was introduced in Pakistan. In 1973, National Identity Card (CNIC) was issued. Who is the current Director General of Federal Investigation (DGFIA)? Mr. Ahmad Ishaq Jahangir was the current Federal Investigation Agency Director General या DGFIA. Speaker of KPK Assembly. Babar Salim Sawati was the current Speaker of KPK Assembly. Who is the current Speaker of Sindh Assembly? Qadir Shah was the current Speaker of Sindh Assembly. Current Speaker of Balochistan Assembly. Abdul Khaliq Achakzai was the current Speaker of Balochistan Assembly. Current Speaker of Punjab Assembly. Ahmad Khan was the current Speaker of Punjab Assembly. Current Chairman of Pakistan Cricket Board. Syed Mohsin Raza Naqvi was the current Chairman of Pakistan Cricket Board. In which year first general election were held in Pakistan? 17 first general election were held in Pakistan. Pakistan is not the member of which of the following organization? G is not a member of G20 countries. First session of All India Muslim League was held 29 and 30 December 1907 at session of All India Muslim League 30 दिसंबर 1907 को कराची में हुआ. British fought Plassey War against Viceroy of India was Lord. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Give your comments in feedback.